back here.
Article 4, free inhabitant, pursuant to the Articles of Confederation.
Put the camera down for me. Is that if it records, that's fine. But I don't want you holding anything.
No weapons, no weapons. All right, no.
Okay. So what I'm going to ask you to do is the same thing.
And get out of the car?
Yes.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
All
you
right.
can go get your superior.
Well, I am going to tow this car, and you cannot be in the vehicle while I'm towing this vehicle.
Well, if you go get your superior, he'll clarify
right
that he can be set free because he does not have to have a license.
That's not going to happen right now, young lady. So either you're going to come out of the car on your own free will, or I'm going to assist you.
I'm going to get out of the car and walk down to that house.
No, you are not free to leave right now.
Are you saying you have authority over me?
Yes, I do.
You have proven authority over me?
Yes, I do.
How did you do that?
The County of Imperial through the sheriff.
How you doing?
I'm good, officer. How are you?
Good. Need to see your license and insurance, please.
Can I get your name and badge number for the record,
It's
please?
Lieutenant Cochran with the Powder Springs Police Department.
First name, Lieutenant?
Lieutenant Cochran.
What's your first name, Lieutenant?
It's irrelevant. I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
If your name is irrelevant, so is mine, officer.
Sir, I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
Are you conducting an investigation?
Yes, sir, I am. I have you for speeding, 72 and a 55. So I need to see your
Is
driver's
speeding
license.
a crime?
Yes, it is. I need to see your license and proof of insurance, sir.
Can you prove that I'm driving?
Sir, I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
Am I driving?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not. I'm traveling. I am going to continue to film. And it is not a crime for me to travel without a license.
License and proof of insurance, sir.
What you may have.
I'm giving you a lawful order.
What you may have.
Obey it, or I'm going to
What you may have. What you may have is the opportunity to read. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is assault. This is assault. You've broken my windows. I do not consent. I do not consent. Oh. This is police brutality.
I'm fixing
Stop.
to
This is police brutality.
I'm fixing
I haven't done anything.
Do it again. I'll tase you again.
You do not have authority over a human being, over a free inhabitant.
Do you want to argue the point?
You need to go look up your laws.
I don't have to look at anything right now. What I need to do is get you out of the vehicle. If you have identification, please hand the identification over to me.
No.
Identify yourself to me.
And I'm not going to step out of the vehicle.
All right. Well, you know, you are impeding my investigation. You are delaying me, which is a penal code violation in the state of California.
That law only applies to U.S. citizens.
Well, where are you a citizen of?
I am not a U.S. citizen.
Well, see, that's
I am a free inhabitant. I am of the earth. I do not belong to any corporation. I do not belong to any country.
Yeah, but as long as you're in the sovereign states of the United States, you will abide by the rules and laws.
See,
and you have certain protection.
a free inhabitant is they are allowed to. They're free people. They have all of the rights of a U.S. citizen without following any of their laws.
Well, that would just be pure anarchy if that were the case.
No, because we're peaceful people. We're peaceful people. You go call them up and ask them, and they'll tell you exactly what I'm talking about.
Well, I don't know who to call.
Your superior.
Well, I am a superior to a certain extent.
So call your superior.
Well, it's going to take a couple hours or so for somebody to come down.
Well, just
and that's
call
not going to
them.
happen right now.
Well, then we're going to have to solve it some other way.
All right.
We just need to, you need to call in, tell them I'm a free inhabitant, and find out what that is.
Well, I am going to tow this vehicle, young lady, so you cannot be in this vehicle.
I understand that. So all right, then I'm going to get out of the vehicle, and I'm going to walk down to that house because you do not have authority over me. Well, then I'm not getting out of the vehicle.
No, you're not.
Why?
You're not free to leave.
Why?
As soon as I conclude the rest of my investigation, you will be free to leave.
I come in peace.
I understand.
I have not committed any
I
crime.
smell marijuana coming from this vehicle. Okay.
I will not step out of this vehicle. You have not committed a crime. You have never seen a crime. Terry v.
I
Ohio.
have reason to believe that crime is afoot because I can smell marijuana coming from this vehicle. Do you understand that?
Do you comprehend Article?
I have a lawful reason to get you out of the vehicle.
You do not.
Yes. Open up the vehicle.
No. I would like to see your supervisor. I want to see what kind of crime. Are you violating my space? Are you kidding? Help! 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 I do not consent! I do not consent! Help! Help! I do not consent! I do not consent!
We did not.
I do not consent! I do not
I'm not
consent.
asking you for your consent.
Yes, you have to have his consent. We're
Are
not
you
giving you the consent
people
to
not
search
competent? I am not a resident of the state of Indiana. I am not whatever you think I am. I am not a resident of the state of Indiana.
I'm going to search this vehicle.
We do not consent to any kind of search.
I didn't ask for your consent.
No.
I don't
You
have to ask for
our
your consent.
consent.
No, you do not.
Yes, you do. In this
You do not smell marijuana. I don't smell any marijuana.
Oh, it reeked of
I smell
marijuana.
No, it doesn't.
I can
We don't smell any marijuana anywhere.
I smell marijuana coming from the vehicle. He's refusing to get out of the vehicle.
All right.
Okay, so
I don't consent to anything. I don't know what this guy's doing. No. No.
You're going to assault him?
Are you assaulting me? Are you assaulting me?
You're assaulting him. We deny
Help! 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 Call the police!
Sure, we are the police.
No! Help me! Help me! What crime have I committed?
We didn't
What
commit
crime
any
did you see
crime.
me commit?
Give us the ticket
Terry
and the
v.
seatbelt.
Out of the
Ohio.
vehicle. You're going to get tased if you don't step
You're
out.
gonna get tased.
Step out of the
Step
vehicle.
out.
What crime have I committed?
Step out.
What crime have I committed?
Step out.
What crime have I committed?
Step
What
out.
crime have I committed?
Stop it!
What crime have I committed?
child.
What crime? I have been assaulted with a tase gun.
No, please let him
You're trying to attack my nuts. That is not proper use of that device.
Stop it!
Have you been trained in proper use of a taser?
I know, baby.
Watch her, Bill.
I'm not going to do anything. I just want my child. You just please let me go. I just didn't have
Just
my
get your
seatbelt
child
on.
out. Just go ahead and get in your car.
Call the lawyer right now.
Which one?
Why do I have to get out the car?
As far as I know, you have not done anything wrong at this point, but you are slowly reaching to
okay,
that point
you know what?
to 148 PC.
I'll get out of the vehicle for you. I will get out of the vehicle. I'm getting mama.
All right, well, you're not free to leave.
You're
Going to take the bag
No,
off.
no, I'm
You're going
not.
to take the bag off.
No, I'm not.
Relax your...
Hey, you're
Relax.
raping me.
All
This
right.
is rape. This
Relax
is
your
rape. This is rape.
Relax.
Okay,
Relax your arms.
it's relaxed.
Stop fighting with
It's
me.
relaxed.
Stop fighting with me. Stop fighting.
All right, I'm
Okay.
not fighting.
Center 2, 5, 6. I got a combative X-ray.
Here, I'm lifting my arm up. I'm lifting my
Leave
arm
your
up.
arm right
It
there.
hurt. Okay, I told you what I was doing.
This is pain compliance, okay? It's not meant to be comfortable.
This is
Do I have your
illegal.
attention?
This is completely illegal.
That's all.
No! Take my bag off!
I can't.
You're not putting me in the car. You can wait till you get to your period. You are not taking my bag off. You can handcuff me with my bag on.
You're right, I will.
I'm comfortable with that. How it is? How you doing today? Can I get your name?
I'm with the Addison Police Department.
Can I get
Can
your
I see
badge
driver's
number?
License and proof of insurance, please?
Can I get your badge number?
It's 210. Can I see your driver's license and proof of insurance?
Okay. Let me ask you a question. As a man, what right do you have
Can I
to stop
cover
another
this?
man?
Sir, let me see your driver's license and proof of insurance.
As a
please.
man, I'm asking you as a man, what right do you have to stop another man?
The state of Texas has given me the right to enforce the law.
Enforce
You
the
were
law?
speeding. You were doing 50 in a 40-mile-an-hour speed zone.
I'm speeding. Did
Yes,
you realize in the state of Texas that speeding in and of itself is not illegal?
Okay, sir, let me see your driver's license and proof of insurance, please.
Well,
Sir, I'm going to tell you one more time. I need
Okay.
your driver's license and proof of insurance, please.
all right.
Otherwise, I'm going to charge you with failure to identify.
Okay, I'm still having to ask you a question
Okay.
here.
That's not how this works. Let
That
me see your
is how
driver's
it
license
works.
and proof of insurance, please.
Either that or I'm going to have to ask you to get your supervisor because I'm still asking you some questions here.
Let me see your driver's license and
So
proof of
I would like
insurance.
to know why you stopped me. Because stopping me
Okay,
for
sir, you were
speeding
traveling 50
in and
miles
of
an hour
speeding
in a
in and
40
of
mile an hour
itself
speed zone.
is not a crime.
According
According to the state of Texas, the actual it is the Oh, you know, the attorney general, not the attorney general, but the prosecutor. Yeah,
Yes,
the
sir. Let me see
DA.
your driver's license and proof
So
of
the
insurance,
DA is the one that stated on page 19 that speeding in and of itself is not a crime.
Sir, I need
it
to
is
see your
not
driver's
illegal.
license and proof of insurance,
And I
please.
am not going to. Do you have a warrant for my arrest?
No.
Then obviously, if you do not have a warrant for my arrest, then you do not have the right to ask me for
I'm about
any
to place you
additional.
under arrest. I need to see your
Okay,
driver's license, proof of insurance.
then you'll falsify putting me under arrest, and then that is going to be illegal on your part,
Sir,
and
here's my
then
cover.
then you're going to impound my car, which will be
620
illegal,
before hour.
and then I'm asking you to state
10-4,
what
right?
right do you have as a man to stop another man?
Sir, I need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance, please.
Okay, do you have a warrant for my arrest?
Sir, I'm asking for your driver's
Do
license.
you
and
have
proof
a
of insurance.
warrant
You can
for my
provide that to me?
arrest? If you do not have a
Sir, are
warrant
you
for
going to
my
provide that to me?
arrest, then this is a custodial stop. Am I
You're
free to
detained.
go?
This is not custodial. You're detained.
I'm being detained, right?
Yes.
Am I under arrest?
You are not at this moment. Can I see
Okay.
your driver's license and
Now
proof of insurance?
you're saying that I am being detained.
You are being detained.
For what reason?
Because you were violating the speed limit.
Speed limit is not a crime in the state
It
of
is.
Texas. No, it's
in the
not.
traffic code.
No, according to the traffic code. Okay, let's look at the traffic code. I
Sir,
have
can I
read
see
the
your driver's
traffic
license
code.
and proof of insurance,
The
please?
traffic code states that all traffic laws are for people operating a commercial vehicle. I am not operating a commercial vehicle. This is not a commercial vehicle. I am not operating a commercial vehicle at all.
Sir, let me see
I
your
do
driver's
not
license
have
and
to
proof of
have a
insurance.
commercial vehicle. I do not have to operate it with a license with a commercial vehicle or anything like that. So in the state
Sir,
of Texas, the
what is your
laws
name, sir?
only apply
Sir, what is your name?
the laws only apply to vehicles that
Sir,
have. That's fine.
What
Y'all
is
are
your
going.
driver's- I need to see your driver's license. Please.
Then we have another cop pulling up, and I'm
Sir!
sitting here asking
Sir!
them the same
What
thing.
is
I
your name?
need you to stand down and get your.
Open your window now, or I'm gonna bust it out.
Now you're going. Okay, I need you to call, and I need you to get your supervisor
Sir, let me
out
see your
here.
driver's license
I need
and
your
proof of insurance.
supervisor out here. I need your supervisor. I am asking him for his supervisor. I am asking you for your supervisor. Okay, officer, I am asking you for your supervisor to come out here. Now you have busted my vehicle up, and now you are going to detain me. You are illegally getting into my vehicle, and now you have taken my phone.
On the ground.
Relax.
I'm relaxed. You got my bag! You got my bag! You're gonna get in so much trouble, you son of a bitch! You're gonna get sued! You don't even know what you're doing! I'm telling you, I'm
Young
gonna
lady,
fucking sue you!
Stop.
What's your name? Our fucking Godona, you're gonna get arrested. You're gonna get fucking... Oh my god, you don't know your own laws!
Relax, young
You
lady.
don't know your own laws!
Relax, young lady.
I can't believe you just did this.
You need to calm down.
You're gonna get in trouble. You don't know your own laws.
Calm down.
You're illegally doing this. I told you I was a free inhabitant.
Calm down.
You are illegally doing this.
Young lady, calm down.
You are illegally doing this. I told you this is against my will. You did this illegal. You cut my bag.
All right, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Give me my stuff.
Relax.
No.
You're
Leave
under
me alone.
You can't have this big camera around.
You can go get your superior.
I will.
Go get, and I'm
but not
waiting
right
right here. Go get your fucking superior. You son of a bitch! Give me my fucking stuff! You fucking asshole!
You need to calm down.
You need to fucking learn your goddamn job because you don't know your fucking laws!
Okay, fine.
Go get your superior and go
Calm
get your
down.
fucking laws!
Let's go.
No! You son of a fucking bitch! Fuck you! You stupid son of a bitch! You don't know what you're fucking doing! You're gonna get fucking in trouble! Oh my god, you son of a...
Dude, I'm too old for this. How you doing?
How's it going?
Hold on, let me get up there first and I'll talk to you. United States citizen, sir? Yes?
I'm gonna opt out.
Well, the thing is, before we can proceed with immigration inspection, if you are, that's fine. I don't really care if you're German or whatever, but Are you legally in the United States?
I'm not answering questions.
Okay, then we have to go ahead and take you in. I know you're recording. We'll take you in, identify you, and then you can proceed.
So you're detaining me?
Yes, sir.
That under what probable cause?
On the probable cause that 18 U.S.C. 111.
Code 18111 is about impeding me or injuring a federal officer. I've not done that.
Well, the thing is, sir, now that you're actually taking me away from my job.
That's because you're choosing to keep me here.
Yes, I am.
That's
you know
your
why?
choice. That's your choice.
You know why?
Yes.
Because I asked you a simple question. Are you a United States citizen?
But prior to prior to our encounter,
yes.
There was no probable cause to even stop me.
You know very well this is a immigration inspection.
Yes.
As a trucker, interstate trucker,
yes.
You're aware that at southern borders, California, Arizona, we have checkpoints.
Yes.
Right? And you know that they're going to ask you questions.
You're asking everyone questions.
Yes, every single one.
Any code that you follow is subordinate to the U.S. Constitution. Okay, so my Fourth Amendment is unalienable.
What is the Fourth Amendment, if you can tell me?
It regards search and seizure. And you're
I'm not seizing you, or actually,
you just said you were detaining me.
Yes, I'm detaining. That's not a seizure. Do you know what a seizure means?
You're seizing.
You know what a seizure means?
Like confiscating.
Yes, taking away that you're no longer.
But the search part.
The search part is not a search. I'm just asking you a simple question.
Why am I being detained?
Because we're asking a question. Are you a United States
citizen? I don't have to answer that.
What are you guys doing?
Sir.
Yeah.
Did you hear what he just said?
I heard he's trying to order me to do something, but I'm not listening.
You have no registration. You have to follow.
It's called civil disobedience. Have you ever heard of it?
Okay,
you don't answer my question. Have you ever heard of it?
You know what?
You don't listen.
No.
Have you answered my question? No. Have you heard of civil disobedience?
Okay.
All right. Have a nice day. So I don't care what they say. I'm driving. I don't really. Doesn't matter to me.
(18 U.S.C. 111) assaulting, resisting, or impeding certain officers or employees, which is me. Forcibly, agents, assaults, resists, opposes, impedes, intimidates, or interferes with any person designed in section 1114 of the title while engaged in or on account of a performance of his official duties. Motorists should not be permitted to proceed until agents are satisfied with inspection procedures. Okay? If the motorist refuses to exit the vehicle, agents will use the amount of force necessary to effect the arrest and enforce compliance to the lawful order, including removing the driver from the vehicle. The vehicle should be searched, incident to arrest, and moved to secondary inspection to allow resumptions.
You're not supervised.
I'm asking you this last time. Cooperate or you be extracted out of the vehicle.
I am cooperating.
All right. So I'm asking you.
I am cooperating.
Okay. Are you going to step out of the vehicle and talk to me, or are we going to have to extract you out of this vehicle? This is all being recorded from both phones. Your phone and my phone.
I don't want to be extracted from my vehicle.
Okay. Are you going to go ahead? Are you going to go ahead and cooperate, sir?
You want me to go inside?
No. I need you to talk to me. Are you a United States citizen? Simple yes or no.
That makes no difference to me traveling down the road. Sir, I just want to go down the road
You
freely.
will after I'm complete with my immigration inspection. Do you understand?
I don't like these intimidations.
It's not intimidation, it's the law.
Yes, it is. It's not the law.
I'll count you 3 and I will break this glass.
Don't break the glass, man.
1, open the door. 2,
I haven't done anything wrong.
Open the door. Open the door.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Open the door.
I'm not breaking any laws.
Open the door.
Man.
I don't want to break the glass.
Don't do it, man. It's not even my truck.
I know, well then open the door.
Man, this is absurd. I can't believe you would do this. I've complied as much as I need to.
Stand back.
No.
Stand back.
Shit.
Do your seatbelt now. Get out. Get out. You're under arrest. Get out, sir. You're under arrest.
Can you take your glasses off for me, please?
Why is that?
I don't feel safe with your glasses on, and I would like to see your eyes.
Oh, you would?
Yep.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
That's not an issue.
Okay.
You have no right to ask me that. Where are you coming from?
I'm just checking on you.
Can you please take your glasses off so I feel a little safer?
No, the sun's in my eyes.
Okay, well then I will be leaving now.
Okay.
Thank you for your help, officer.
I've seen you been sitting here, so.
Okay. I don't feel safe with your glasses on. I don't feel safe with your glasses on.
Are you all right? I saw you. I passed by you here earlier.
Yeah, I'm not okay.
Okay. What's going on then?
I already told the other officer.
What other? Oh, the other. You talked to someone else?
Yeah, the guy that wasn't wearing glasses.
Okay.
I don't talk to cops that wear glasses.
He stopped by earlier?
He was... Okay, I'm not talking to you because you obviously don't have a clue what the hell is going on.
Okay, so are you leaving now or what?
Why does it matter what I'm doing, officer?
Well, you see that sign right there?
What, the sign that says State Fish and Game Refuge?
No, the other one that says no parking, fire lane.
Is there a fire going on here?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for the camera. Hi.
You're welcome. So why don't you, leave then?
Okay, I'm gonna leave right now. Yeah, I see it.
Yes.
I'll leave right now. Thank you.
That's great.
Thank you so much for your help, officer. Have a good day.
Yeah, we just went through a breathalyzer. We refused to stop through a breathalyzer test. So, yeah. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Free man of the land. Got 2 cars in pursuit, close by. Where, mate? No, mate. No, mate. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest or am I free to go? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? I've been stopped on my way home. Am I under arrest? No, what? No. You, I do not consent. You've got no right. Whoa! This is thuggery. What the hell's going on? What the hell is going on? Open the door. Am I under arrest?
Yes.
Under arrest.
Evening, officer.
Good evening.
Before we continue, I'd just like to let you know that you are being recorded right now.
Okay, that's fine.
So I would just like to know why I'm being pulled over.
We're doing a roadside safety check.
Okay.
Okay.
Am I being detained?
What's that?
Am I being detained?
Well, right now we're just conducting our job, making sure
Okay.
that everyone's on the road driving safely.
Okay.
Yes, you can. You are not free to leave right
So far, everybody's being safe. Am I being detained then?
now. You're not free to leave.
Am I
Okay?
being detained?
We do have the legal right to stop you right now.
Oh, I
So
believe this is
Okay, hold on,
unconstitutional,
hold on, I'm
but
speaking. Now, like I said, I've asked you for your driver's license and proof of
you
insurance.
actually didn't
Now,
ask
please
me
give it
for
to me.
my driver's license, but I'm actually not obligated to provide that if I'm not being detained.
What? You are
Whoa,
obligated.
whoa, whoa,
You're
whoa.
obligated. Get out now.
Whoa.
Get out now. Driving's a privilege,
Sir.
not a right. I'm telling you to get out right now.
Excuse me, I'm not
We asked for your
resisting at all.
license and insurance. Yes, you are resisting
I can
at this
provide-
point.
no, sir, I
Then
can
give us your
provide it.
license and insurance,
Absolutely.
like he was asked.
Absolutely, sir. This is my license here.
Okay, now get your insurance. That's
Okay.
required by law.
All right.
Driving's a privilege, not a right.
Absolutely, sir. I completely
We're not going to
agree.
sit here and debate with you.
Okay, well, this is very unconstitutional what you're doing.
No, you know what?
And-
This is not unconstitutional. I already explained it to you. Driving's
Sir,
a privilege and not a right.
Understood. This is my driver's
Good.
license, my
Thank
insurance
you.
card. You're welcome.
That's what you're required to do to drive in Illinois.
I
Do
would-
you know, understand that?
Absolutely.
Do
I
you
would-
understand
I would
that?
also like to inform you that you are being recorded right now.
Good.
Okay. Can I please
You were
shut my door?
asked. No.
Since I'm not being detained.
No.
What am I being detained for exactly, sir? If I am
We
being
asked for your
detained.
driver's license and insurance card, which you're required to have when you drive in the state of Illinois.
Understood.
Correct?
Correct. That is correct.
That's
and
what
I
you
do.
were asked
And I
for.
do have that. Correct. I
don't know. I'm looking at it. You refused to write it originally, didn't you?
Absolutely not. I did not refuse anything.
Is this your current address?
I asked. I would not like to answer.
Is this your current address?
I'd like to remain silent, sir, unless I have an attorney present.
Is this your current address?
I would like to remain silent, sir. I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right.
Do you have a more current insurance card?
I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right. Everything there is completely valid and legal, and I'd like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right from here on out, unless I have an attorney.
What was that?
I would like to exercise my Fifth Amendment right from here on out, unless I have an attorney.
What does the Fifth Amendment say?
That I have the right to remain silent.
Really?
Absolutely.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Am I free to leave?
Sit on. Yes,
Thank
you
you.
are.
You guys have a great night.
But if you have your driver's license, permanent insurance, that'd be wonderful.
Okay, well, the first thing I would like to say, though, is that I'm not the registered person.
You're not the registered owner of this vehicle?
Oh, I am the human being that owns the entity.
Okay. Well,
the
do
entity
you have the
is
insurance
not
for
me.
this entity?
Yes, I do.
Oh, perfect. Let's get that.
Should be right in here. Now, for the legal person, and we know by definition that a legal person is a non-human entity, correct?
Did you have your driver's
That's
license?
in the
permanent
legal.
insurance?
Yes, I do. Yes, that is in fact my license.
I've never seen a license like this before.
Here's my old license.
Perfect.
This is the one before that one.
Oh, okay.
This is Metrum. Ran per day, 3. Okay, it has the doctor's name on here. Has all the information you need. Okay, date packaged.
Mind if I take a look at it then?
Um,
You want me to read it, but you don't want me to have it.
The reason is you're telling me I'm under arrest for a crime that I didn't commit, so I cannot.
You're in possession of marijuana.
I'm in possession. No. See,
So
the
please
lawful
step over
right.
there, please. Okay.
I have a lawful right, sir.
Let's not.
I'm not resisting. I have a lawful
Wait, you
right.
tried to lock the door on me.
Well, yes, because I have a lawful right to stay in the car.
Step out of the car for me. Sir, please step out of the car.
As a human being, and I'm lawfully possessing this.
Okay, sir. Just put your hands behind your back for me. Put that on the roof. Put that on the roof of your car so you can still videotape.
I'm not
and then
going to
put
be
your
arrested.
hands. You're going to be arrested right now. You're under arrest.
For what?
Possession of marijuana. Put your hands behind your back. I'm not resisting.
Ow! Oh my God! I'm not resisting. I have a legal right to medicinal marijuana. Okay, let me. Okay. Ow! Ow! Holy crap! I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Sir, I'm not resisting you. I'm not resisting you. I'm not resisting you. I'm trying to. Here's my hand. I'm not consenting to this. I have a legal right. I have a legal right to possess medical marijuana. My card is actual valid. Health Canada, licensed producer, Delta 9 Biotech. My doctor,
Move around on me, I fucking knew it. I hit the cameras, they pulled up the fucking street.
How you doing, sir? Hi.
Why are you contacting me?
Want to see if you're okay. Someone called us and said you're out here kicking over the bus bench and standing in traffic and screaming and yelling.
Someone's lying. I do not consent to contact.
Now, do me a favor. Come over here, away from the bag. Step away from the bag. Right there. You want to set that down so it can record? Hey, sir, what's going on?
I'm being detained without probable cause. I've not been given a reason for detainment.
Okay, can you just sit down here? That's right here. So if you want to set that so it can record, that's fine. Right here.
You got a lot of officers coming here right now. Can you just sit down so it goes smoothly?
I have not been given a reason for my detainment.
Can you sit down? I'll explain it to you.
You need to tell me what my probable cause is before you restrict my freedom. I've stated that I wish to leave.
Sir, sit down, please. I'm not going to ask you again, okay? That's it. That's all I ask. Thank you. All right?
I've not been given a reason for my detainment.
Okay.
I'm being held against my will.
You're not being detained right now. We're just trying
I'm
to
not being
figure
detained.
out what's
Goodbye,
wrong with
sir.
you.
Goodbye. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm not resisting.
Roll over.
I'm not resisting. He said I was not detained.
Come on back here. Come on back here. Did you go ahead and stand here at the front of my car? Why? Stay at the front of the car. Do not approach me. Stand at the front of the car.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat on the push bar of the car. Just have a seat on it, yes. Yeah, just have a seat on that.
I've got a witness that was placed in at the scene of the hit and run. That witness is standing by for contact at Lake Washington and Florida.
I did not say hit and run. A passing witness did.
If you do not communicate with me properly, then you are in defense. Did you say hit and run?
The passing motorist said that you saw you involved in it. Were you involved in a hit and run?
I was never involved in a hit and run.
Okay, well, we'll check the witness and make sure of that.
There are no witnesses.
Okay.
Communicate with the person involved. You have no communication. Therefore, you have no cause So, rewind, back up. You have no communication. You have no communication, do you? Oh, wait.
Do not put your hands in your pockets. Do not put your hands in your pockets. Put your hands on the hood of that car.
Hold on.
Put your hands on the hood of that car. Put your hands.
Shoot me. Are you argumentative? Are you argumentative? Hold on.
Put your hands on the hood of the car. Do not put your hands on the pocket.
See this?
Do not put that down. Drop that.
Drop that.
Put that on the ground. Put it on the ground.
I did. Do you know what probable cause
Put your hands on the hood of the car.
No.
I'm not going to keep
Do you
telling
know
you
what
that.
probable cause is?
I know what probable cause is.
Stop now.
And we're about
Listen.
to establish it.
Establish. Come
Put
here.
your hand on the car.
Are you listening?
Put your hand on the car.
Are you listening?
Put your hand on the
Do
car.
not touch me.
Do not fight me.
Okay. PSC. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Hold on.
Put your hands behind your back and stay on the car.
Probable cause. Resisting. I am not resisting.
Still fighting with me.
Stop fighting or I'm gonna tase you! Stop fighting! Tase me now, because I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting them!
Tase me. I'm not resisting. I cannot.
Put your hand behind your back!
Just so you know.
Put your hand behind your back!
Tase me now. I am not resisting.
Put your hand behind your back! Stop fighting with them!
I'm not fighting.
Go to... Put your hand behind your back! Stop fighting!
I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. You are actually the limitations of
You are not to make money on it. You are to break even as far as your strawman bills, those being utility bills, banking bills, insurance bills, things in that nature. It is not to go out and have a party with or treat your friends to dinner. It is simply just to break even on the everyday bills that your straw man is considered a ward of. And when I say a ward, I mean you are a dead bastard lost at sea. Your parents have given you up, and you are now a ward of the state that you were born in because your birth certificate was used for collateral in the bankruptcy of 1933, which is the origination of the House Joint Resolution 192, and why you need to file a UCC, Uniform Commercial Code, to claim your straw man again, to claim your living soul, to claim your name in all capital letters. You must claim that in order to be an authorized representative of that all capital letter
Do you suspect me of a crime?
You have no license plate.
Do you suspect me of a crime where my baby?
You have to identify yourself under the Highway Traffic Act.
No, I do not. I just proved in court I do not have to identify myself to a police officer.
Why not?
Because I'm a freeman on the land, number one, and number two, you guys suspect me of criminal activity to detain me. So yes, you do. I don't care what your Highway Traffic Act says. That's the law.
You have to identify yourself under the Highway Traffic Act.
Do you suspect me of a crime, sir?
No.
Am I free to go?
No, you're not.
So you're going to detain me.
If you don't identify yourself, I'm going to arrest you.
For what? I've done anything criminally wrong. But that's not a criminal act. You only have authorization to detain somebody if they've done something criminally wrong. I don't care what your Highway Traffic Act says. I have no contracts under the act. I've canceled them all, so you can't enforce it on me.
Okay, are you going to tell me your name?
No, I'm not. I don't have to. That's my right.
Okay, I'm just going to wait for another unit to get
That's
here.
fine.
Okay?
Bring your chief too, because he knows who I am.
Okay, I will.
I know my rights.
How do you know who you are if you haven't identified yourself?
I'm operating under the Republic of Canada. That's a legal jurisdiction here in Canada. Bring your whole force. I am not intimidated at all, man.
Okay.
I know my rights. Don't open my door.
I need you to identify yourself.
No, you don't. You have no right to open my door.
He's a sovereign citizen. He won't identify himself. So, are you going to identify yourself?
I do not have to, Your Honor.
Okay. Take it.
Open my door. You have no right to fucking touch me. You guys have kidnapped our child. Nope, I'm leaving. Don't get in front of me. You're pulling your gun on me? Okay, he's pulling his gun on me. Everybody, I have not done anything criminally wrong. He's pulling his gun on me. No. No. It's off. Parking brakes on. I'm no threat. I'm no threat. They're pointing their guns at me just because I don't have the right plates on my car. That's why.
Ready to grab it.
You guys don't have this authority. You're gonna break my window. I'll open my door. Ow! Asshole! What the hell?
Get out of the car now.
Okay, they just broke my glass. See that? Beautiful. Good job.
Get out of the
I'm
fucking
getting
car
out.
now.
I have nothing on me. Oh, you're gonna cut me. Don't. Oh, open the door. You're gonna cut me. You're gonna cut me.
Lawful engagement, sir. I need to tell you what I'm telling you, good sir. I'm a lawful individual. What you're doing is enforcing corporate policy, good sir, and I victimize nobody. So what you're doing is violating my constitutional rights. You're violating my constitutional rights. You can't make any sense over what I'm saying, which is I have a right by God to travel freely. You are violating my rights by stopping me, by flashing those lights. What you're doing, good sir, is saying that there's been good sir. You're saying there's been an emergency. By flashing those lights, you are violating the law. There's been no emergency whatsoever. I'm here. No, she's fine and good. Good sir. Just because you have a gun and a badge doesn't mean you're right. I know exactly what I'm saying. I know exactly these cops very well. We are activists. We know how to defend our rights very well, good sir. You are in bad form. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not, good sir. You're going to violate my constitutional rights. I'll have you in court and it's no big deal. I do this all the time. That's what I do. You cannot talk over me. You make no sense. You have no authority whatsoever as a corporate policy enforcer, good sir. So you need to understand I control the situation here.
You do not control.
Yes, sir, I do.
No, you don't.
As I walk away.
You're not going to walk
I lawfully walk. No, do not. I have no clothes. I am not under arrest. Sir, I'm not under arrest. You're violating my rights. Good sir, you're violating my rights. You're on tape for violating my rights. I do not consent. I do not consent. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I do not consent.
He's not resisting.
I do not consent. You are violating my rights.
Wait a minute.
You guys realize how bad you fucked up?
Hey.
No, I'm only relaxed when you take me out of these cuffs and you act as gentlemen. I ain't under shit. I ain't under shit. Dude, you ever heard of commercial lean? You ever heard of commercial lean? You're Vaughn, it's all bad. You fucked up. You might want to retract at this very point, good sir. You fucked up.
We're going to stand you up. We're going to try to cover you up at the same time.
No, don't be my best friend. I got this shit.
Okay.
Y'all ain't men. You're fucking bitches.
You ready?
That's the reality.
Do you have any clothes on underneath?
No.
Besides your shirt?
No.
All right, why don't we... I'll grab it.
Bobby, run inside our upstairs closet. There's
Hold on.
blankets up there.
Hold on.
You don't realize what you just did. Your smart move and call your soldier. Actually, take his fucking, call your chief.
Hey,
let him know.
can his girlfriend help?
No, the whole department. You understand? This is what I do. You know, sovereigns. Okay, I'm not a bomber. What we do is use the law to fuck them. No. You unlawfully stop me. I've told that to you. I let you know what the law is. You don't know it. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. Ignorance of the law is no excuse. If I ain't listening to shit. The only thing you can do is let me out of these motherfuckers and go about my day. You ain't saying shit.
No, I'm not going to let you tell me this.
Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. What is your last name, Chris?
Anything I say can be used against me in a court of law.
Yes, sir. Are you aware of your rights?
I'm aware that God gave me my rights and that you have nothing to do with them.
And having heard your rights, do you mind speaking to me now?
What? Look here. I'm in charge. You're not in charge. You have no authority over me. I don't understand anything that you say. I don't understand anything that you say. I do not understand anything that you say. You're in violation of the law. I'm calling about you violating the law, and this has nothing to do with anything else.
I'm just asking you, do you understand your
I'm telling you, I already answered your question, and this call is being recorded.
an attorney?
What?
Do you agree to speak to me without an attorney?
Do you agree? I don't have an attorney. I'm talking to you about a criminal case. I'm talking to you about violations of the law carried out by the Stafford County Sheriff's Department.
Right now, and I'd like to know your last name, and I'm asking if you will speak to me without your attorney present.
You guys see his arms bleeding? Where's the blood coming from?
Where's the blood coming from? You're fucked up! Mob mentality! Mob mentality! I have a reason and a right to be an asshole if I got tackled! Don't try to fucking pet me! Don't pet me! Don't threaten me! I'll stop when I'm done! I'll stop when I'm done!
Listen, did you guys request 29 yet?
How are you?
Good. Need to see your license and insurance, please.
Can I get your name and badge number for the record, please?
Lieutenant Cochran with Powder Springs Police Department.
First name, Lieutenant?
Lieutenant Cochran.
What's your first name, Lieutenant?
It's irrelevant. I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
If your name is irrelevant, so is mine, officer.
Sir, I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
Are you conducting an investigation?
Yes, sir, I am. I have you for speeding, 72 and a 55. I need to see your driver's license.
Is speeding a crime?
Yes, it is. I need to see your license and proof of insurance, sir.
Can you prove that I'm driving?
Sir, I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
Am I driving?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not. I'm traveling. I am going to continue to film. And it is not a crime for me to travel without a license.
License and proof of insurance, sir.
What you may have.
I'm giving you a lawful order.
What you may have.
Obey it, or I'm going to.
What you may have. What you may have is the opportunity to read. Whoa! This is assault. This is assault. You've broken my windows. I do not consent. I do not consent. Oh, this is police brutality.
I'm fixing
Stop.
to face
This
you.
is police brutality.
I'm fixing
I
to
haven't
face
done
you.
anything.
So did any information I get from you get me into the proceedings?
What proceedings?
I'm not going to answer that until I know your last name, and you agree to speak to me without an attorney.
I'm speaking to you, and I'm requiring that you answer my questions.
Excuse me? What's going on? No, I don't have to, and I'd like my ID back.
Do you have a dog unit coming out?
We're gonna sit tight here for a couple more minutes. We got a canine coming.
Here you go, ma'am.
Okay? You guys have no reason to be holding me. Why am I being held?
She'll
All
explain
these
everything
people are.
to you.
Well, you're just the same. You talked to me as well.
Yeah.
And you as
I
well
wasn't-
told me
I
to put
didn't
my
have
phone
the
away.
initial encounter with you
I understand that she should be the one taking care of it. Then why did you have to talk to me?
because I'm the supervisor.
I understand that. Then you should know what was going on then.
I didn't get a chance to talk to her thoroughly, so then.
You guys
all
have
the
been out
K9s,
here.
So you're gonna sit tight here. The K9's gonna be here, and
Well, they better be here soon because if not, I'm calling 911 and then this can all be figured out.
Okay.
Well, you guys are holding me here against my will, therefore.
You're being detained. Okay.
Being detained for what reason?
We'll tell you here.
Okay, what reason?
Ma'am,
I have a right to know what reason.
Ma'am, I already explained this to you when I first approached you in the vehicle prior to me taking your ID and walking away with it.
Yes, ma'am. You were talking about my dog. You said my dog is cute.
That is how the conversation was initiated, correct?
Yes. So how is my dog being cute, me being nervous?
Ma'am, I'm not the only one that observed your nervous behavior, okay?
Then
I've
who
asked you
observed it?
simple questions.
Myself.
Oh, so you are part of this.
Ma'am, we're not going to go back and forth in a pissing match, okay?
It's not a pissing match. I come from Norfolk. You asked me where I came from. I didn't even have to tell you where the hell I was coming from. I could have said I'm coming from there and going here.
Let's understand. You can say whatever you'd like to.
Exactly. So why am I being held? Why do you want to get in my trunk when you have no right to?
Ma'am, if you can have a seat, we've explained this to you, okay? We have a K9 unit en route on its way, okay?
If they're not here within 20 minutes, I'm gone.
You're not gonna go anywhere.
What are you going to do? You going to arrest me?
I will.
For what reason?
You can leave. You can walk down the road right now. Your car isn't.
I'm not in cuffs.
Your car's not going anywhere.
Car's not going anywhere? Are you going to take my keys?
I don't need to.
You can't get in my car.
I'll spike your tires.
Oh,
You're
you're
not
going to
leaving.
spike my... Okay, okay.
The
Go
car's
ahead.
not leaving. You can leave. You can walk down the road right now. You can call a friend to come and get you.
Okay.
I don't care. The car's not leaving.
Oh, okay.
Understood? You got it? So sit in your car.
I don't have
or
to
walk
sit
down
in
the
my
road.
car.
That's fine.
I can stand
Stay
right
over
here. I can stand right here.
I'm telling you to stand over there.
Well,
out of the
I'm
way.
telling you I can stand here. I'm not in your way. Your little thing is out there.
All right. I'm going to tell you
Don't-
one more time, and then I'm going to move you over there.
If you
got it?
touch me, I will sue your ass. Do you understand
Go
me?
for it.
Touch me then.
Move over there now.
Go ahead, touch me.
I'm telling
Sir?
you to move over there.
Sir,
That's
don't, sir. You will.
Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach now. Get on your stomach. Got me?
What the fuck is wrong with
Good.
you?
Good. Stop.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Got me?
Okay, it's on again, just like you.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Stay still.
Are you fucking retarded? Ow! Ow! Get it out of my fucking back! Get it out of my back! Get it out of me! Get it out of me! Get it out of me now!
Done?
Get it out of me!
Done?
I didn't do anything to you! Ah!
You put your hands...
You put your hands on
I told
me!
you to move over out of the way.
I didn't have
Got
You
to!
assaulted a federal officer, okay?
I wasn't
I
in your
warned you
way!
to move over out of the way. You got me?
You pushed me!
I'm telling you to stop.
Get
you need
off
to calm
of
down.
me.
Got it?
You just
Calm
fucking
down.
tased me, you asshole!
Now to the odd story of the sovereign citizen squatting in a $3 million East Memphis estate. Memphis police gave that person 24 hours to get out of the house, but the order has been ignored. So why hasn't the police department done anything? ABC 24 senior investigator Jenny DePrizio with new information.
I've never heard of anything like this in my life.
People who live in this neighborhood are baffled by what's happened here. According to police, a woman who goes by the name Abka Rebe has taken over the home. ABC 24 uncovered Rebe's real name is Tabitha Gentry. Last fall, she was charged with aggravated assault for trying to run over 2 police officers during a traffic stop in South Memphis.
I am not turning off my live stream, and I'm not getting out of my car. No, sir, I do not feel safe. I am not opening my door.
Open your door slowly.
No, sir. I have the right to refuse that request. I am not getting out of this car. I do not feel safe.
You're gonna go to jail for resisting!
For resisting what?
You have to open your door. He's giving you a lawful order.
I don't feel safe. I'll open my door, but I do not feel safe.
Well, you're going to jail.
Sir, I would appreciate it if you stopped yelling at me.
Now get your hands up.
Nobody said get out.
So, real quick, before I sign this, I'll sign it. But, why are you being so aggressive? I want to know why you're being aggressive, because I don't appreciate it.
Sign the tickets.
I want to know why you're being aggressive.
Sign the tickets.
I want to know why you're being aggressive.
Sign the ticket.
Now, you're going to have to stop flashing that in my light, please. Face, please.
No, sir.
Why?
Sign the ticket.
I can't see. You're flashing that in my face.
Explain to him that sign the ticket's not a mission.
No, seriously. Like, I really can't see what I'm doing. You know what? No. No, I'm not going to sign them.
Okay, perfect.
I'm not going to
Go ahead
sign
and get out.
You're not signing?
Get out of your car.
Wait.
Get out of your car now.
So if I don't sign them, I have to go to jail? You are... Hey, whoa.
Get him out.
Guys, come on.
Get him out. Get him out.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Turn over. Turn over. Turn over now. Stop resisting.
Suspected in court today, Tabitha Gentry, one of Memphis's most famous sovereign citizens, will learn just how much time she'll serve behind bars. In 2013, Tabitha Gentry was arrested for squatting in a vacant $3 million East Memphis home. Gentry claims she's Moorish American, similar to a sovereign citizen, and that Tennessee laws simply don't apply to her.
Let me ask this: are you placing me under arrest?
You are under arrest.
And what crime? What crime am I being charged with?
Hey, these guys are telling me that a canine alerted to your vehicle for the presence.
And I've asked repeatedly for that dog to be brought back out because I say that it didn't happen. And they are refusing to get the dog back out because they know that they're not telling the truth.
You can do one.
Because I wouldn't answer their questions, they came up with that.
Or I'm going to take you out of the car.
Well, let me ask this. When you place someone under arrest, don't you have to put them under arrest for something specific?
Okay, I'm a police officer. I'm ordering you out of the car.
Will you answer my question, police officer?
Yes, I'm a police
What
officer.
are you placing me under arrest for?
Prefer to obey me right now.
So I have to obey you by law?
Yes, you do.
Even when you're stopping me without cause?
Hey, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I can't do anything from there.
Hit low right here, you'll be fine. Ready?
Who are you?
The police, come here.
No, I'm not in your jurisdiction. I'm in my own jurisdiction. Don't pull that gun out on me. I'm out of your jurisdiction. Hey, I'm not doing that.
Come on out.
I'm trying to hold this. Hey, I didn't do anything to you guys. Hey, don't rub me. I gotta break your wrist.
Rob, this is Vincent. You know, I didn't get a call back from you about my room. And, you know, my kid's room right there, the room we had. Like I told you, we're still tenants, and, you know, Rob, I'm at the point where I'm just going to go break the lock, man. I'm going to go break the lock, and I'm going to get back in, because I'm a tenant there, and if your officers want to fight me, fuck it. Let them fight me. I don't give a fuck. We'll see how hard of a time they have put me in those handcuffs. I welcome them to try to arrest me for breaking into my own home. And I was a tenant there. You guys haven't done any investigation. And you know what? If you ain't gonna fight for my family, and do your job, then I'm gonna do it. Because I don't need you guys. I don't need you guys in my stay out of my life. Then, I'm gonna break back into my room, and I don't give a fuck. If you want to send your officers, fuck it. I'll fight their ass over it. All right, Rob? You don't want to protect my family and do your job? Fuck it. Then I gotta do it.
I'm a non-resident alien. You know what that is?
Yeah.
Okay, but that's not all I am. And you just told me that I could go get. You just told me to go get my van. You playing games or what? You playing games or what? Well, give me your keys to your car then. You agreed. You made an agreement right there. You trying to stop me from getting my ride? I'm gonna take your car. So give me your keys. Give me your car keys right now. I want them so I can take off. I'm gonna take the plates and the VIN off and roll out in front of you. Give me your car. Okay. Give me your keys. Okay. Okay, where are they at? You calling your boys to come get from behind or what?
Go away.
Is that what you call? You know I don't take orders from you. Okay. Yay. Hey brother, hey. You take orders from me. I'm your superior, you hear me? Hey, you're gonna lose your job, buddy. I can't wait to take your cars, all your cars, okay? You too, brother. You guys want to keep me from my car and my family? We're gonna take your car. Yeah, they're trying to get me. Oh, actually, I don't have a name.
Okay.
But I'm recording this right now. I'm serving you guys notice. Notice to agent is notice to principal. Notice to principal is notice to agent. Okay. I come in peace. I want to let you guys know. I'm sure you. Do you understand that I'm here serving you notice?
How can I help you today, sir?
Okay.
And how can I help you, young man?
We're asking the questions here, sir. We're
How
asking.
can I help you, young man?
We're asking the questions here, sir.
Can I help you too?
Okay, you see me right here. I'm serving you notice.
You won't tell me how I can help you.
I'm asking. I'm telling you. Okay, Maya. Babies, give me that thing. I want you guys know that this is not me. Give me that. I want you guys know that this is not me. I do not consent to this fraud. I do not consent to killing children overseas. I do not consent to any crimes to be committed against
But how can I help you, I'm asking?
I'm asking the questions here, sir.
Sir, how can I help you?
Okay. Do you understand that I'm serving you notice?
But I'm asking, how can I help you? What can the police department do for you today?
Medical attention? See, there they go. There they go. No, I'm serving you notice right now. I'm very sane. I'm sound
Yeah, man, how can I help you today?
I do not consent to killing kids overseas. I do not consent to murdering innocent people.
Young man, how
this
can
is
I
not
help you
me.
today?
Can you guys please take this number down and let your principal know that that's not me. I do not consent. I do not consent to.
This isn't a high school, sir.
To you having any jurisdiction to any you have no jurisdiction over me.
We got it.
I'm a free man.
Are you gonna tell me how I can help you?
Sir, with all due respect,
How can I help you? What you want me to do?
can you write this down and
do
let
what?
your principal know? You have a principal.
No, we don't have a principal, sir.
That's the sheriff.
No, we're not sheriffs. We don't say the police department.
Well, you're the agent of the principal, am I correct?
How can I help you, bro?
Sir, are you
Sir,
the
we'll be
agent?
with you in a second.
No, I'm letting you know right now. I'm letting you right now. No, I'm letting you guys know.
Talk to me.
Sir,
Police station
I'm
officer.
serving you notice, sir.
What do you want?
This is not me.
Okay.
That's
Is that
not
your
me.
driver license or what?
That's not me. That's not
We
mine.
have an incident
You
here.
can have it if you want.
Well, why are you bringing it here?
I am not a part of your system. I want out. I rescind all.
Are you on probation or parole?
I rescind my name on all contracts.
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm asking the questions here.
Are you on probation or parole?
I'm asking the questions here. I rescind all contracts. See, look. I rescind all contracts, all my name on all contracts due to fraud, lack of full disclosure, and intent to deceive. And you guys have no jurisdiction over me.
We got it. Is there anything else we can help
Yes,
you
there
with?
is. Yes, there is. As a matter of fact, I'm asking the questions here. I'm letting you know. I do not consent to you having any jurisdiction over me. I reserve the
We
right.
got it.
I reserve the right
Understood.
to. I reserve the right to travel in my
Understood.
vehicle. I mean my automobile, without plates, without
Understood.
driver's licenses.
Can we help you out with anything else?
I'm asking the questions here, and I'm letting you know. I reserve the right to see my sons and my daughter anytime I want. Anytime I want.
It's between you and the court, sir.
I have no business with the courts. I rescind my name. The courts.
The door's right there,
They have
sir.
no jurisdiction over me.
The door's right there.
Okay, okay. All due respect, I like this gentleman behind you. I don't appreciate the intimidation.
Are you guys okay?
You don't answer questions.
Where are you
You ask the
guys?
questions. You ask the questions, kids, okay?
But don't put them in this situation.
Yo, you're putting them in it. I'm here as a man talking to you. Don't try to intimidate my fight.
Excuse me,
my son and my
hi.
daughter.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Anderson.
Hello.
Hi.
ma'am.
First of all,
mother?
I am asked. You don't not answer questions. We ask the
hold on.
questions.
Let's go talk outside.
See, I don't.
Excuse me, sir.
I don't take orders. I reserve.
You want to
Okay.
go out? Listen to me.
You guys
no,
are denying
listen
me
to
due process.
No,
Okay,
we're not.
you
You're
guys
going to
are-
go outside
Let
and
her
talk
go.
to me,
Let her go.
or you're going to go and back in a jail cell. It's your
let her go.
choice.
No,
Don't do this in front of the kids. Let her help.
I am
Let her
asking.
help.
I'm serving you notice.
Let her help.
Let's go,
Let's go.
kids. They did not just due process. Jurisdiction's gone. Let's go.
Oh, you need to
That's called the denial of due process.
Good night.
All right. Have a nice day. You have no jurisdiction over me, okay?
Actually, we
I'm
do.
the king. I'm the king. I'm the king. Let's go.
Don't come back.
Don't tell me what to do. All right? I'm the king. Let's go. Let's go. Good job, baby. I like it. Come on. Come with this. Come here.
A financial consultant in suburban Washington, D.C., J.J. McNabb, has studied the movement for over a decade and says many followers have a specific belief.
That what the government is doing is when you're born, they set up a birth certificate, they sell shares in your future earnings to foreign investors. The current theory is that China is buying up all of the babies in America.
There's no need for you to stop me.
In order for me to deal with that offence, all right, I am required, all right, for you to provide me with your full name, your date of birth, and your home address in order that I can submit summonses.
What law says that I have to give you my details?
All right, if I'm not able to do that...
What law says I have to give you my details? What for? I haven't broken...
Section 110...
You're not listening to me,
all right,
are you?
of SOCAP, in order that your name and address can be obtained. Do you understand that?
No.
And it'll be done with force if required.
If he does smash it in, but take my phone and put it in your pocket though, because they'll wreck my phone otherwise. They will fucking put it in your pocket and keep it safe. Look how much what are they going to do? They're going to break my window. They're going to smash my window. Do you put up with this? Are you going to put up with this? You're supposed to be peacekeepers. You can't let me smash my window. You can't let me smash my window. That's bad. They're going to take you. They're going to fucking smash it now, aren't they? I'm not opening the door. Look at this aggression! Fuck me, take it, dude. They're gonna fucking take that. What for? What? You were being told! You fucking open the fucking door! Why are you being so aggressive towards me? Why are you being so aggressive towards me? Get out! Why? Get out! Why are you being so fucking aggressive towards me? Right, front one going through it. Why are you being so aggressive? Film it, dude! Film it! This gentleman right here is the one that apparently needed a citizen flag down. Oh, he is? Yeah.
So, I flipped off your punk fucking friend officer, wherever the fuck he is, and that's it. You guys are bothering me.
Do you realize that's disorderly conduct when you're using that kind of foul language in front of women and children?
You're so funny, officer. So 3 of you guys interrogating me? I don't like this at all. I need to talk to one person, and one person that I flipped off only. For what? For what? What the fuck?
I'm going to give us your details.
Am I obliged?
You're going to give us your details. You are under section 165 of the Road Traffic Act because you're driving a motor vehicle on a public road.
Could you cite me the law that requires me to provide?
165 of the Road Traffic Act.
That's an act and a statute, it's not a law.
Are you going to step out of the vehicle?
Am I required to do so?
Are you going to step out of the vehicle?
Am I lawfully required to do so?
You're going to be arrested, so...
Under what crime have I committed to warrant my arrest?
Obstructing a police officer in the course of his duties.
Can you?
All right.
Have you got a warrant for that? Have you got? Shit, man. Yeah, you can't have done that, right? You're committing assault. That's assault, man. I'll put it in my pocket, please. Put it in my pocket. Which Congress of production? No.
That's what I was looking for, was the definition of disrespect.
Now, there are many people who consider it disrespectful not to wear a hat under some circumstances. Jews, for example, and Muslims are required to wear a hat in church, so this may be his way of showing respect, not disrespect. Who knows? Are you saying that some religions are right and other religions are wrong?
And so I have force threatened upon me if I were to wear a hat?
We're not forcing. We're just asking you to leave.
No, the ultimatum.
Contempt is force.
It's not force. We're just gonna. You gave me an ultimatum.
That's
force. I'm not physically willing to go anywhere with any.
You're asking him to remove articles of clothing.
All right, so you're not gonna remove it. Let's go.
Sir.
Stand up, please.
Sir, treat others as you would wish to.
Come on, please.
I'm being nice.
Well, I'm not going to assist in my own arrest.
I don't want. You should take your hands off that man.
Please stand up. All right, you want to stand?
You said you weren't wearing peace voice.
All right.
You seem peaceful. Why are you harming him?
Just some light in the eyes. We got a flat face.
How much do you get paid to do that?
How long were you sitting here with the hat on?
I was sitting here for, I don't know, 20 minutes and not bothering anybody.
guys don't treat others as you would. And it's true. It seems like it's really stand up. Let's go.
I'm not going to assist in my own arrest.
I'm not asking you to assist it.
Okay, you're asking me to
Take
stay in
another
your
chair.
chair.
Easier if you stand. Be easier. I'm going to Yeah, we're kind of easier out there. Could just leave people alone, you know. What do you plan on doing? Okay, we're going to do is going to start on 7. I'm going to send him in. You're going to turn the rotate around? Yep.
Thanks for protecting us from cameras.
I was terrified. Okay, that'll be nice. Nice and served. I see 2 violent people.
Sadly, you ever considered like a real job, one where you don't use violence against people? Perhaps. You're well learned,
I mean, the judge did not even define disrespectful court.
Step jurisdiction.
That's okay. One big breath out till I say stop. Stop.
I actually have an interlock in my vehicle.
Okay. So you haven't consumed any alcohol today? Okay. As I said before, sir, you don't need to consent to the ticket. You don't need to acknowledge it. But I am going to issue it.
On tape and under the guise, with God as my witness, because you're going to write it as a corporate entity in capital letters, that's actually something that I can charge you or the station with.
What will happen on the bottom of the ticket will be my information. Well, on the bottom of the ticket will be my information. I'm more than happy for you to take this to court.
I will, because naturally I'll just elevate it to the Supreme Court.
Then, not a worry at all. What I'll do, as I said, I'll just get you away there. I will be as quick as I can.
I must inform you that if you do carry out this fraud, under maritime law, 1912, Fall of Tarsus will be visible under habeas corpus, and you will owe me. You will be in debt to $3 billion or 3 pots of gold.
Okay, well, unfortunately, I don't have either of those. All I have is a ticket book.
But I've mentioned that to you now. It's on tape.
There's your license and your infringement notice.
You have basically broken and trespassed my vehicle.
Senior Constable Ian Campbell and Leading Senior Constable Andy Trace are being harassed by a man who won't accept his ticket.
Here we go.
The Grand Master just I'll send him a message. Freemasonry Victoria is actually going to indict you guys. I'm sorry to say. There is no paperwork. It's basically like the old days where the Black Witches. It's not a lightning bolt, but 12 of our peers will hold you accountable.
Get you to jump back here, mate. You're standing on the roadway.
We're not interested in talking to you.
They're public roads.
Yeah, I know, and I just don't want any harm to come to you, okay?
I own these
That's
roads
fine.
partially.
Not a worry. So jump off the side, and that way then no harm's going to come.
I need some card to show that you have actually...
On the bottom of the form.
That form's gone.
Well, that's your... I gave you a form. That was your discretion to do.
Of the laws of the high seas.
I bid you goodbye, my friend.
I'm a shaman, I'm a mason, and I'm also...
And I'm a policeman. Oh, that's fantastic. What a start to the day.